My dainty lass, lay you the blame upon the richt fu heed. 'Twas daft ill luck that bigged your hame the wrang side o' the Tweed. Ye hae your tocher a complete, you're bonny as the rose. But I was born in Baltic Street, Montrose. Lang syne on mony a waefu nicht, high o'er the sea's distress, I've seen the great arms o' the licht swing out frae Skurdiness. And proud and sunny simmer blinks, when land winds raise and fell, I'd flee my dragon on the links wi' callants like mysel'. Oh, Baltic Street is cauld and bare, and maybe no sae grand, but you'll feel the smell in the caller air o' kippers on the land. Twixt kirk and street the deed folk bide, their feet towards the sea. Ill neighbours for a new-made bride, gin ye come hame wi' me. The steeple shades the kirkyard grass, the seaman's hidden banes, a dour-like kirk to an English lass, wha kens but English lanes. And when the har the winter through creeps blind on close and wa, my hame micht get a curse frae you, mysel' get maybe twa. I'll up and off the morn's morn to seek some reed-haired quine, bald-hearted, strang-neaved, bred and born in this auld town o' mine. And oh, for mair I winna greet gin we hae meal and brose, and a button ben in Baltic Street, Montrose.